going on, YouTube? We back, another video. Today has been a super successful day for me, man. We actually got the Cadillac out today and drove it a little bit because I had some issues happen today, but I got a lot to show y'all real quick and let y'all know some updates on the Cadillac as well as the Cutlass. So let me flip this around and show y'all the craziest part of the video so far. And as y'all can see, the Cuddy is out of the third spot and into second spot, based on the fact that it was true that this car does not have reverse. So we know we don't have reverse in the Cutlass. So what happened today was, man, I was negligent last night, man, and just passed the gas station even though it's 2 feet from the house. Ran out of gas in the driveway in the Escalade, so I had to pull out the old girl today. She was dead in the water, so I had to jump start it. So we're actually gonna put a triple charge on the old girl, so she'll be charged up whenever I need it. I need to clean this car, I just haven't done it. As y'all can see, getting it out today. It rained a little bit. We got some rain spots on it, but no big deal. But I did wind up giving y'all some updates, getting the gold package for it I found on eBay. So it'll come with a new gold hood emblem, a new gold trunk emblem, and everything else. These emblems will be gold. And what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just put the lock gold. So I'm gonna do these gold because I need a new trunk lock anyway. The keys to the door don't work the trunk, so I think it's been replaced. We'll get all that done. But for now, it's over here. We're gonna put the trickle charger on it. Try to clean some stuff up with that before we take it. Probably the end of next week, we're gonna take this one, get the intake done. This one, probably the end of next week, start of the week after. We're gonna go ahead and take it and get the trans rebuilt on it. Cause now that I know it goes forward, only thing out is reverse. So now the guy quoted me a good price, so we're gonna get that done. And once we get that done on this one, both of these should be operational. I told him when he's putting the tranny in it, go ahead and look at the timing on it, because I think the timing may be a little bit off, because when I kill it, it makes that little weird backfire pop little thing up, like shakes, whatever. So I think that's a timing issue. I could be wrong. In the comments, let me know. We're getting that done. We're also still trying to figure out the brakes. The car stops, but it just doesn't stop as well as I would like it. So I'm still trying to figure out that whole situation from front to back. Everything is coming along, man. I gotta get, before the bad weather comes, clean up my wife's car. Well, my car, but she took it. Truck needs a good bath. Camaro needs a bath. And we got so much going on, but I thank y'all for rocking with me with these updates. But yeah, the update on this one, the gold package should be here pretty soon. This one, like I said, we're getting a transmission done soon. I got reached out to my top guy. He's gonna do a top for me pretty soon once he gets healthy, because he tore his rotator cuff, so he's still working, trying to get back healthy. I don't know if we're gonna go with another gray top or we're gonna do a black top. I think we may just keep it all gray, because I think the direction I'm gonna go with this car is all original. I think I'm gonna go original 307, just run through it, make sure it's good, everything's solid with that. Original 204R, just everything looked good. All original interior minus a deck and a console, maybe some kick pedal music. Yeah, we're just gonna keep it the way it came. That's how I like them, because I feel like they just hold their value more like that, and you don't ruin it by going over the top with too much stuff. So yeah, that's what I got for y'all today, man. Cadillac finally got driven today, and the Cutlass tomorrow we'll probably get it out and try to drive it. Maybe get it out and just take it up and down the block, see how it feels. But yep, that's a quick update video for y'all, man. I'm gonna throw the footage in of it outside running at the end of this video, so y'all go ahead and I'm gonna add that right now, and we'll catch y'all in the next video. Out the garage for the first time, and it truly does not have reverse. It has drive gear right now, so it's coming along. I found the problem with my exhaust leak over here is where they cut the exhaust off. I'm gonna have to go ahead and fix that, because it's got a second pipe coming out, and that's where the exhaust leak is blowing out. So I'm gonna try to get that fixed pretty soon, so I don't have to listen to that. But other than that, it's coming along. Y'all see it. I don't know what I'm gonna call this thing, but we definitely gonna make it work. Y'all think of the Cutlass? Getting the garage cleaned up, trying to put the Christmas tree up. I got a circus going on right now. Escalade ran out of gas on me this morning. Yeah, I know I gotta move. Yeah, y'all see we got everything out. Everything. Trying to get stuff moved around, figured out. Cutlass is alive. Let me go help my family, man. Just giving y'all a quick little video. The Cutlass is outside tomorrow. We will be attempting to drive the Cutlass tomorrow, so y'all stay tuned.